Hey, what's up guys, Raj here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I will show you how you can get Android P feature on your device right now. I mean any Android device. You can see the Android P feature on my Redmi Note 5 and friend, it looks so amazing. The UI is so cool and very smooth. So how you can get this feature on your device? If you want, then stay tuned and watch this video till the end. So before going to start, make sure your Android device is rooted and a export framework is installed on your device. Yes, you need a rooted device for these features. And how to root your Android device and install export framework on it? If you want to know, then please check out my another video in this topic. As always, links are mentioned in the description box. After this process, go to the description box and download Android PEF. This is the export module, so enable this module on the export installer app like this. After enabling, restart your device. That's it. You don't need to do anything special. You can see the changes on your notification panel and the settings menu. Okay, now how to get Android P volume slider. You can use this feature on an unrooted device. So first of all, launch the Google Play Store and download this app, volume slider like Android P. This is a paid app, but don't worry, you can download this app free on the XDA developer site. After downloading, open the app and give the necessary permission to this app, such as accessibility, draw over the app. After giving the permission, now just press your volume key and you can see the new volume slider on your device. It's so cool. Next feature is Android P navigation gesture. This is another cool new feature in Android P. Not new, because this feature you have seen in the iPhone 10. But now how you can use this feature on your Android device? If your device is sport 18:9 ratio display, then believe me, this full screen gesture is amazing. And how you can get this feature on your device? Launch the Play Store and download this all-in-one gesture app. After downloading, open the app, give the root permission with other permissions. Enable this app, select your edges according to your need. Tap here and select immersive mode and turn it on. Basically, it will hide your navigation bar. Now use this app as like this. It's so cool. At first, you will feel a bit awkward to use this feature, but don't worry, practice makes man perfect. So that's about the video guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please show your support by subscribing to the channel. That's what really helps me out. Without being said, my name is Raj and I will see you in the next video.